Did you know early brain development can still be affecting you as an adult? So when our brains are developing, they develop from the brainstem up, and then the cerebral cortex, which is our kind of our human brain. So that's our most sort of advanced brain, develops last. But when the brainstem is developing, it develops something called primitive reflexes. Now, these are reflexes in babies, and they're subconscious reflexes. So they're basically movement patterns that happen without conscious control to help the baby do certain things and certain movements that are essential for life, really. And then sensory input and different sort of developmental milestones, and going through that reflex will integrate the reflex. So then the reflex gets replaced with conscious movement. And this sort of developmental pathway also helps stimulate brain development in each of the hemispheres. Now, what can happen is if we have retained primitive reflexes, so if we don't have the proper movements as a baby and we don't integrate them properly, then that doesn't trigger certain development in the brain as well. And when we're adults, sometimes those deficits can manifest, and they can manifest as things like poor attention. They can manifest as things like anxiety or depression, trouble focusing, and all these little things that we take for granted and we sort of beat ourselves up about. But it can actually stem from early development, and it's not actually our fault.